Hi, I'm Farhan, Senior Manager at United Living. We're building 68 of these amazing homes called Rhodes Moorhouse Court for the ex-service personnel on behalf of Hague Housing Trust. Students in construction normally find it difficult to get on-site work experience, and it's even more difficult whilst they are studying. We invited students from Merton and Carshalton College to spend a few days on our site. When the students come to site, they go through an induction like everyone else. We then get them to shadow our experienced operatives in that chosen field. We have had students from electrical, plumbing, carpentry, dry lining and bricklaying, and they get to learn what it's like in a live and busy construction site.
My name is William. I'm doing my level 3 electrical installation. I've been doing some earthing connections. I've been actually doing some red light installation. We actually did yesterday some roof lights installations. We connected some like I said, some earthing connections. But yeah, I've been learning quite a lot of new stuff. I'm happy with everything that the guys have been taught me. It's something that will take on for the future.
My name is Tim and I study level 2 electrical installation at Merton College. I've been pulling cables through trays and fitting light fixtures on, also sockets and different types of installations. I've also been able to observe a lot of the works that are going here.
Hi, my name's Owen. I've been studying level 2 carpentry. On site I've been doing second fixing, which includes door fitting and kitchen fitting. It's helped me a lot because I've learned different ways of doing it and what the final product is.
My name is Joe and I'm studying level 3 electrics at South Thames College. I've really been enjoying working here on this site and installing switches and sockets and learning a lot about different lighting systems in domestic dwellings and different ways to wire electrics in a domestic setting.
My name is Shackleton and I'm studying electrical installation level 2 at Merton College. Right now I've been doing basic stuff. I've been wiring bathrooms, I've done plug sockets. Yeah, it's exactly what I thought it would be. And yeah, I've learned a lot of new skills.
Hi, I'm Neil Dixon. I'm a curriculum manager for engineering construction at Merton College. As a college, we work really hard to try and find every learner good quality work experience that enhances their vocational lessons in college. United Living have done everything they can to put in place high quality work experience with a minimum of fuss. We'd like to thank everyone at the United Living, and particularly Farhan, the site manager, for doing such a wonderful job in welcoming Merton College students to its site.
Hello, I'm Stuart Milward. I'm the electrical tutor at one of them at Merton College. I'm here to thank United for all their work experience, all the opportunities that we've been able to give to our students, and when they've come back from United, they seem to be better, more rounded. It fits in exactly with what we're trying to teach and with real experience, and it's just a win-win situation. So I hope that this relationship grows, gets bigger, better, more opportunities, and long may it continue.
The feedback we've had from United Living is absolutely tremendous. They are very grateful for the opportunity. A lot of them really want to get their hands-on experience and also to see what it's like working on a big site. They realise they're being spoiled from the very beginning, because we explained to them that real sites aren't often as good as the United Living site by the way they treat them and the way that the place functions.
We've built a very strong relationship with South Thames College and Merton College in particular. The staff have been exceptional, especially Jeanette and Neil, who've helped us through this process. The students have enjoyed the process. We've got an opportunity to mentor them, share our knowledge and experience with them, and hopefully this experience should give them the confidence to apply for their first job. And somewhere, if what we've done here has helped them in their career, it would have been all worth it.